So, how are y'all? Merry Christmas. I'm walking up the hill. As you can tell, I'm panting. It's kind of steep. Maybe a tenth of a mile between our house and the little barn house, which our neighbors in Florida have. I still have 40 loaves of bread, sweet breads. My apple bread, pear cranberry bread, and apple cranberry bread to bake. And one oven in my house, so you get permission to use the barn's oven. So this is a double batch of pear cranberry bread. I can pears and apples in a cinnamon spice sauce syrup. And then when it comes to holiday time, Christmas time, I do the pear and the fresh cranberries. And then apples, still panting. But a double batch does 5 loaves. And so I'm going to graciously heat this oven up and double duty here because I still have gingerbread houses to finish baking, the pieces for my class. And tomorrow will be the apple pie and the orders of cinnamon rolls. But I think that is it that I've got to do besides 40 of these loaves. So we'll see how this works out. Thanks, Jackie.